Please do like, share and subscribe to Nehal's Kitchen. Hello friends, hope all are doing well. Today's recipes are multicolored dosas. They are both attractive and delicious, made without food color. We are going to use only natural colors. Besides these, I am going to show how to make coriander chutney. So let's start making these colorful and spongy dosas. For pink dosa batter, we need to make beetroot puree by grinding pieces of beetroot and water. After making the puree, add it to the dosa batter and mix it well. It will look like melted strawberry ice cream. Make sure that you prepare this batter before 7 to 8 hours of making the dosa. For a yellow dosa batter, we need to make turmeric syrup by mixing turmeric powder and a little bit of water. After making the syrup, add it to the dosa batter and mix it well. You can prepare this batter instantly. For making coriander chutney, add pieces of coconut, pieces of green chilies, pieces of ginger, roasted chana dal, a small bunch of coriander leaves, a teaspoon of rock salt, and some water in a grinding jar. Add a little more water after grinding the ingredients finely. For tadka, add oil in a small pan and let it get heated. Now add dried red chilies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, urad dal, and curry leaves one by one. The tadka is ready. Now serve this chutney in a bowl and add the prepared tadka on the top. Our coriander chutney is ready. Our colorful dosa batters are ready. Now let's make dosas. Heat the dosa pan and add a few drops of oil. Now rub the pan with an onion. Pour the dosa batter and spread it all over the pan. Add oil on the top. Make sure the stove is on low flame while spreading the batter. Flip the dosa after it gets fried on one side. The dosa will be ready after it gets fried on both sides. Make the yellow and white dosas in the same way. That's it, our tasty, spongy, and colorful dosas are ready. Eat it with the chutney, and that's delicious. Do try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you will like it.